everyone, welcome to my new video. I'm very excited to make this video because I'm going to test the shake and shot. This is from Dr.jart. Did I pronounce right? They make a very interesting and weird face mask. Do you remember last year I tested their rubber mask? And this year I'm going to test their shake and shot. Look at the design. The design is interesting and it's very weird. So they have different colors bottle for different purposes. So the purple one is for smoothing. They also have the orange one. So the orange one is for the elastic. So the yellow one is for hydrating and the green one is for luminous. So those masks also have similar solution for the fine lines and wrinkles, and also make your face firm and elastic, improve your uneven skin. This is a DIY rubbery modeling mask. Did you hear the thundering? This should be very easy. So this is the tool to apply mask. So it has two bags. And this bag is liquid, rubbling, smoothing shot. So it provides a smoothing effect and moisture-stressed skin. So the texture of this material feels like mud. And this one is a double trans booster. What is a double trans booster? Now let's mix those two together first. I forgot to remove my makeup. Remove my makeup first. Sure. The texture is like glue. I will put it in this cup. Wrong side. I don't know why the texture is really like glue. It's not much in one bag. And then we'll put the liquid. The liquid smells good. It's like green tea. Ooh. The color is green as well. Right now it looks like that. Need to cover the hole and shake it. You can hear it. The liquid turning, I don't know, it's turning like mud. It's not liquid now. Is that done? Shake, shake, shake. This is quite interesting. Apply a layer evenly on entire face within 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will apply it on my face. Okay, I will try to do this fast. It might be easier to use my finger. Oh, it's really large amount of face mask. If you are living with somebody, you can share this with them. I think anybody can use it, no matter either a girl or a guy. I don't think I can keep it until tomorrow because it'll dry. So I will put it on my face as many as I can. Almost used up all the mask. Dripping on my dress. You wait for 15 to 20 minutes. I think 1 cup is definitely enough for 2 people. They're making a mess here. You can see it's forming to like a peel of mask. I think that's about 20 minutes. Start from the top. Looks like the top is not dry. The layers I have is very thick. Let me wait 5 more minutes. It's a peel-off mask. Wow, the mask texture just like wrapper. Oh. Usually peel-off mask might hurt your skin, but this one is very gentle. It will not hurt your skin. Oh, very comfortable and satisfying when you peel the mask off. Whoa, feels very cool, like coming out of the fridge. Very cold. very soft. It didn't make my skin red. It didn't irritate my skin. Very gentle and very comfortable. So after I peel it off, I don't feel my skin is dry or tight. It feels like no need to apply lotion. It just feels very comfortable. I highly recommend to try it out. It's so much fun and it makes your skin smooth. Very interesting idea. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun testing this face mask. So the link for the different type of mask is in the description box. You could pick out the ones you like. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon. Oh, so good. So soft. Super soft.